It's been nearly a decade in the making, but 5G is finally becoming a reality. Carriers started rolling out fixed 5G to select cities nearly 2 years ago, and mobile 5G has already started making appearances in cities around the US this year, with much more comprehensive rollouts expected in 2020. Right now, it seems like there are more questions about 5G than there are answers. Some people are wondering what 5G is, and if they'll ever see it in their city, while others are more concerned in 5G smartphones. And of course, there is the debate about which carrier will have the best 5G service. You have questions, we have answers. Here's everything you need to know about 5G. Hello and welcome to another episode of Endless Info. Before we explain how 5G works, it's probably a good idea to explain what 5G is. The G in 5G, 4G or 3G indicates a generation of wireless technology. That is, every decade or so, a bunch of wireless trade groups and standards agencies get together to agree on a new set of rules for a faster, more advanced type of cell network. Then wireless companies go out and upgrade their cell towers and install new phone chips to make it happen. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring that bell. 5G is the fifth generation of mobile networks, a significant evolution of today's 4G LTE networks. 5G has been designed to meet the very large growth in data and connectivity of today's modern society, the Internet of Things with billions of connected devices, and tomorrow's innovations. 5G will initially operate in conjunction with existing 4G networks before evolving to fully standalone networks in subsequent releases and coverage expansions. Each new generation of wireless technology has brought faster, more reliable cellular and internet connections. In 1980, the first generation technology made communication via cell phone possible. The next generation, 2G, allowed for more efficient and secure phone calls and introduced mobile text messaging. 3G ushered in the smartphone era, and 4G LTE gave us the high-speed connections that make it possible to stream high-definition video on our phones. Simply said, 5G is supposed to be smarter, faster, and more efficient than 4G. It promises mobile data speeds that far outstrip the fastest home broadband network currently available to consumers. With speed of up to 100 gigabits per second, 5G is set to be as much as 100 times faster than 4G. Low latency is a key differentiator between 4G and 5G. Latency is the time that passes from the moment information is sent from a device until it can be used by the receiver. Reduced latency means that you'll be able to use your mobile device connection as a replacement for your cable, modem, and Wi-Fi. Also, you'll be able to download and upload files quickly and easily without having to worry about the network or phone suddenly crashing. You'll also be able to watch a 4K video almost straight away without having to experience any buffering time. 5G will be able to fix bandwidth issues. Currently, there are so many different devices connected to 3G and 4G networks that they don't have the infrastructure to cope effectively. 5G will be able to handle current devices and emerging technologies such as driverless cars and connected home products. Just as 2G phones couldn't connect to 3G or 4G networks, today's 3G and 4G LTE phones will be unable to connect to a 5G network. So, you'll need a new phone. The cost of a 5G phone is unclear, but monthly 5G service is likely to cost more than 4G LTE service.